Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding the vehicle identification and the factory build label. This saves time. Open the driver door and inspect the jam and latch area for a rectangular sticker. This often lists the paint code as a 3 or 4-character code. Photograph the VIN on the dash as a backup, and note any secondary labels under the hood or trunk. Those can contain the color code too. Once done, keep images handy for lookup or when calling a parts counter. Next, you expand the search to common alternative sticker locations because Nissan sometimes places codes on several panels. Check the glove box, trunk lip, spare tire well, and the radiator support under the hood. Photograph any alphanumeric code you find. If there's no sticker, use the VIN with a dealership or parts counter to decode the paint. Then, once you have candidate codes, compare them to physical color chips in natural light, so you confirm the exact OEM paint formula and place an order for a touch-up bottle, spray can, or mixed batch. Provide the paint code and finish type to the parts counter and ask for the manufacturer's formula. Keep your photos and VIN on hand. Test the paint on a hidden area, then inspect for gloss and blend before doing the whole panel. If the color looks off, make sure you recheck the code location and VIN, or bring the car to a professional body shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.